Welcome to this reflection to release your inner glow so everyone can see your amazing light. Take a deep breath and allow yourself to relax. As you let go of your thoughts and worries, bring your focus to your breath. Feel the air as it enters and exits your body. We are all on our unique and individual journeys, yet we are all here to shine our light, to sparkle, twinkle and glow as we travel through life. As Stardust, you have your unique light to share, a light to shine from within, a light to mingle with the light of others, and so you become a greater source of light, shining as bright as the brightest sun. Good intentions of peace and harmony strengthens your light. Until the gong, let go of any darkness from within and without that blocks your light. Make it your intention to shine like the star you are. Reap the full benefits life has to offer. You are worthy to live life abundantly. We are all perfectly imperfect, and that doesn't have to stop us from shining. It doesn't have to stop you from shining. See your imperfections as vibrant colours. They are simply a part of your unique light. Don't hide these vibrant colours. Be vulnerable, be authentic, and you'll be surprised that by letting your light shine in all its fullness, you will inspire others. Love and accept yourself. Approve of yourself and all you do. You cannot love yourself too much. This isn't egotistical, it's simply accepting yourself, honouring yourself and nurturing yourself, mind, body and soul. Your starlight is unique. There is none other like you. There is no need to compare with others. Find your own path of self-expression. Be yourself and shine as brightly as possible. Until the gong, consider your talents and gifts and how you can share these with others, as only you can. Be creative. Let Spirit speak in this quiet space. Step up to the challenge to share your knowledge, wisdom and talents to benefit others and feel your light burn brightly. Believe in the infinite possibilities of your soul and give yourself permission to shine. Be radically you and emit your dazzling starlight. Let those around you see and feel your energy, your belief in yourself. Open your immortal eye to see the world around you. See the magic in life so many miss. You will easily begin to see the vibrant light energy in all creation. Connect with positive energy from your heart. There is so much that our minds can't comprehend, yet our hearts can guide us through our inner light. Like a beacon in the dark, it shows us our path. Spend some time now until the gong, focusing on bringing your inner light outwards. Feel yourself sparkle and glow. Light up the room. Whether you choose to shine today depends on you alone. I urge you not to hide your light. After all, you have nothing to lose. Drop the beliefs that limit you. Embrace the unlimited being you are. You are amazing, special. Allow yourself to be so. May you be filled with love and light as you journey on this adventure called life. When you're ready, return your attention to your surroundings. Thank you for choosing to reflect with me. My love and appreciation flow to you. Namaste.